Welcome to PlexScan. This video is going to take you through the process of creating your first submission. In case your organization uses a content or learning management system, for example Moodle, our submission feature could be redundant in your case, since document flow is handled in the CMS or LMS respectively. A submission can, for instance, be a homework assignment, written exam, or a master thesis. By creating a submission, you enable authors to submit their work directly to your PlexScan account. If the submission option cannot be found here, your PlexScan administrator can easily enable this feature for you within less than a minute. Now, let's get started with creating a submission. First, log into your account by entering your username and password. Click on Submissions on the bottom left, and then go to Create New Submission. A new window opens requiring you to set up your submission. Enter the title of your submission. Choose a label for all submitted documents of the submission. This option is quite helpful if you want to create multiple submissions and organize them systematically. There is no deadline set in the default settings. However, if you deselect the check mark, you will be able to set a deadline for the submission. Once the deadline has expired, no further document will be accepted. If you want to include a note for the uploader, you can enter it here. At Share Results, you can decide whether you want to share the plagiarism report with the uploader. If you choose to do so, the uploader will receive an email with the link to the report. By expanding the advanced options, you can decide whether you want the plagiarism detection to start right after the deadline has passed, whether you want to be notified as soon as the deadline has passed, whether the uploader will be allowed to perform a plagiarism self-test before submitting the document to the portal. The last option limits the amount of documents that will be allowed for your submission. Are there any other users in your organization you want to share the submitted documents with? You can invite people, subdivisions, or all members of your organization. Just enter the respective names or choose a group. The next step is to communicate the submission to the authors. You can either copy the link URL or communicate the submission code directly and post the information on a Blackboard, forum, or send it by email. At this point, you can relax and log out. The submitted documents will be automatically stored in your account's document manager. We hope this tutorial helped you to learn how to create a submission. Thank you for your time and attention. The next tutorial will explain how uploaders can submit their work.